Okay, awesome job, everybody. Um, this whole experience of doing it online, I really appreciate everyone's patience. And I appreciate your patience this week. I know my Zoom folks are watching this on YouTube because I wasn't able to do Zoom classes this week because something urgent came up. But I appreciate everyone's participation. I can't wait to have you in fifth grade this year. You guys have all been contributing so wonderfully. Um, and I'm looking forward to an awesome fifth grade year. This could be the best year of teaching for me yet. Because if you guys represent the rest of the future fifth graders, it's going to be an awesome year. Can't wait for it. So after this video, there'll be another video, since there's no class tomorrow, that is specifically just goes over the exit ticket answer for today. All right? So look for that video as well. So let's go over yesterday's exit ticket. As a reminder, we are day 3 of week 4. Okay? So 3/5 plus 4/5 gives you 7/5. And here's me proving it. 1, 2, 3/5 plus 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And therefore, altogether, I have 7/5. Fifths being my denominator that never changes. So today we're going to subtract now. Okay? Once again, don't change the denominator. The denominator stays the same. The denominator here is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my box. I start with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this would be so much easier if I have a different color, but I don't have a different color. So bear with me here. Maybe you do. Maybe you can do different colors. I have 4/7, and I'm taking away 2 of them. 1, 2. What does that leave me? 2/7. The 7th never changes. Okay? So let's do that for number 2 on your own now. 9/10 minus 2/10. Draw the picture that goes with it. Draw your 9/10 and then take away 2 of them. Go ahead, hit the pause button, do that now. So hopefully the answer you received was 7/10. And to prove it, I have 9/10 here shaded in, and I'm taking away 2 of them. 1, 2. Leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tenths left over. All right. Number 3. 11/12 minus 3/12. Hit the pause button to solve this one now, please. So here I have 11/12. I'm going to take away 3 of them. Okay? This is an easy time to make a subtraction mistake, so be cautious and be careful. And you draw the picture. It helps. So 11, take away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many does that leave me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8/12. Now, some of you might see, oh wow, Mr. Brisen, those are even numbers. Can that be simplified? Well, yes, it can be simplified if you want to challenge yourself. So to challenge yourself, this is something we're going to be doing in 5th grade. You could simplify it, meaning finding an equivalent fraction. So first, let me hit the pause button. That's an okay answer for right now. But when you get to 5th grade, we're going to need to learn how to simplify it, meaning finding an equivalent fraction that has smaller numbers than this. Both of them are even, meaning they could be both divided by the same number. Could be divided by 2. They could even be divided by 4, because 4 goes into both of them. So if I divided both by 4, I would get 2 over 3. 2/3 would be an equivalent fraction that's called the simplest form. Simplest. not quite sure where they came up with the word simplest from, but it's considered the simplest reduced form. Okay? What this might look like is this is broken up into thirds, not twelfths. Well, how do you break up into thirds? You skip every 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you kind of make another box with it. And you can kind of see, might be hard to see, this is actually now broken into thirds. 1, 2, 3 parts. 2 of them, 1, 2, shaded in. All right? That might be over your head, might be totally confused. Don't worry about it. Okay? But I wanted to give you a little intro into that for 5th grade. Maybe you can jump ahead of everybody else a little bit, right? Like, I remember when Mr. Brislin taught that. I got it. All right, so ultimately you could stick with the answer of 8/12, but if you wanted to challenge yourself, you can also come up with the answer of 2/3. All right? Number 4, last problem before the exit ticket. 8/9 minus 4/9. I have my ninths here. Got to shade in 8 of them and then take away 4 of them. Hit the pause button to do that now. Okay, 8/9 minus 4/9 equals 4/9. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to take away 4 of them to prove that I'm left with 4/9. Well, after I take away 4, you can see I have 4 left, which makes 4/9. Okay, now what I want you to do is go ahead, 17/20 minus 7/20. That's your exit ticket. Go ahead, complete that one, submit it on the Google form, and then check out the next video to see how you did. Okay? Thanks for an awesome summer. This has been sweet. I really appreciate your participation. I really appreciate your effort. And I can't wait to spend this 5th grade year coming up with you guys. All right? Here we go. See you in a few weeks. And take care. And if you have any question over the next few weeks, don't hesitate to email me or have your parents contact me. Thanks so much. Bye now.